Hello, Vidhi ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Vidhi ma'am. Do we wait for some time?
Yes, ma'am. It's 9:59, so we can wait for a minute or two.
Okay, okay, fine. Even Malika ma'am is not here, right?
Yes, ma'am. She hasn't joined yet.
Okay, fine.
Good
Ma'am,
morning, Muhammad Ali. Yes.
I think that today we have a science.
Oh,
No, we have maths today.
Muhammad Ali, we have science after that. Okay, I'm sorry. Actually, I posted the wrong message. So it's science is at 11 o'clock, not at 10. Okay, is it all right, Muhammad Ali?
Oh, science is not on 10 o'clock, it's on 11 o'clock. You sent the wrong message, teacher. In mistake.
Yes, by mistake, I sent a wrong message. It's not at 10, it's at 11 o'clock. So you're ready with all your materials, right?
Yeah, I bought the science balloon
Oh, I'm
and
so sorry,
paper.
Mohammed.
Um,
So sweet of
and
you. I'm so sorry. So we'll do at later on, okay? 11 o'clock.
Now you have to get the maths materials, the maths test book, maths spiral book.
Haha. Mohammed is always ready with everything, I think so.
he, ma'am, he's very quick. You know, he's quick in answering. He's quick in questioning. He's very quick. I really like him.
I know he's very good.
Mohammed, where were you last class? You were not there for the last class. You're muted, Muhammad.
class.
Sorry,
Which class?
maths class this Wednesday. You're not there on Wednesday, right?
I mean on science.
Vidhi ma'am, actually, I have put him in Malika ma'am's class.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Mariam was not there, I think.
Mariam will not be there in
Yes.
this group. She will be joining the pre-primary group. I think Vidhi ma'am will start the breakout room as Malika ma'am is also there. So
Yes.
as the kids will join in, I will put them in the respective groups.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hello, Khatija. How are you?
ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Turn on your video, Khatija. Yes, I can hear you, Khatija. Can't you hear me?
ma'am.
Khatija. Khatija, can't you hear me? Musfira Sayyed, can't you hear me?
What did you say?
I said, can't you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. So now today I'm going to take your science maths class. Oh. Musfira, you have to join. Musfira.
He already told me that he knows his table till 12. So till the time we all reach till 12, he is going to have nice fun time. Yes or no?
Oh yeah.
No, Mustafa? Okay, where is Umar? Umar, can you please? Yeah, hi, good morning, Umar.
Good morning.
Yes. Umar, you know your table still 5? Okay, that's very nice. So now we are only missing Manha, I think so. Okay, fine. So we'll start as soon as she will join the class. Ma'am will put her in this room. Okay. So now just give me 1 minute. I'll share my screen. Shazia ma'am.
Sorry. I have to give you that right. I'm so sorry. I always
No,
forget to
ma'am.
do that. Mustafa, now you have to remind me for that also, okay?
For what?
That ma'am, you have to give Malika ma'am that right to share the screen. Ma'am, now you'll be able to share the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Okay, so last time what we did was till here, if you all remember, yes? The previous slide, the 3 times table, yes?
I know only this, teacher.
You know only this, very nice. So today we will do more on multiplication. So you'll know much more than what you know now, okay? Okay, Manha is in. Good morning, Manha.
Good morning, Musfira. So good to see you.
Musfira Sayyed has not joined in, Vidhi ma'am. Right? I
And
can
Zainab.
see her. Oh, even Zainab. Wait. Yeah. She'll be joining in. Now only Musfira Sayyed is left. I can see her in breakout room, but still she has not joined in. I
No,
don't know
ma'am,
why.
not in this group.
Yeah. I don't know why. You can start your class, Vidhi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I think her video, like in meeting settings, you can hide your video screen. Yeah, I think that's what happened to
Musfira Sayyed? Oh, do you think that? I think so. She has not joined in yet. Musfira.
Yeah, it's maybe
Because they're in participant, I can only see 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Only 4 students.
There is 10 students, yeah?
What you said? I think.
That is not Muhammad Ali.
Just a minute, huh? Musfira, just a minute. I just sort it out. I think so. Zainab has joined in. So just let me assign her to this room. Okay.
I want to name Ethan and then I asked Musfira Sayed to.
Okay, when Musfira Sayed and Zainab is in now.
Yes, ma'am. All are in now. So we'll start with the session. Musfira Sayed.
Yes, Vidhi ma'am.
So we are going to do this worksheet today. Okay. Khadija, do you want to write the answers? Okay. So
Yeah, I know it really quickly because I'm good at minuses.
yeah, you are good in maths, with with
Yeah.
addition, with subtraction,
Ma'am,
with everything.
how to do this maths?
Yes. So how can we solve these sums? These are too big, you can't count on your fingers. So how will you do these sums? Okay. So we'll start with some basic sums. These are too big to start with. We'll start with some basic ones. Okay. Suppose I give you like some very simple sum, like
Amara, like if you have 6 balls and 3 of them are gone, so if it's a bigger number, you can maybe take out 10 minus 1 equals to a bigger number to minus, you can maybe take out.
yes, we
like
have a new math
the
teacher.
same thing as the smaller number.
I will take a good rest, and Khadija will explain sums for me. So sweet of you, Khadija. When you see this some bigger numbers, you can't keep on counting on your fingers. Okay. So what I do, how do I write it? I'll write 66. Okay. And I'll place 24 below it, such that the ones is below ones and the tens digit is below tens. If you say 66, we'll not take 66, we'll take 67. Okay, we'll take 67. So which number is at ones place, Amara? In 67, which number is at ones place?
What, ma'am?
Which number is at ones place? If the number is 67, which number is at the ones place or unit place?
7.
7 is at ones place. Okay, and 6 is at tens place, right? What I do, I'll place the ones digit at ones place and tens digit at tens place. So in 24, I'll write 2 below tens and 4 below ones. Okay. So how will I subtract? I will subtract the ones numbers at ones position. Okay, so I'll start with 7 minus 4. Okay, I'll start with 7 minus 4. I'll look at the ones position. Okay, so what is 7 minus 4, Amara?
What, ma'am?
7 minus 4.
7 minus. Got it, the answer.
You got the answer, Ali? 3. Okay, Amara, what is your answer?
3, ma'am. Minus 4.
Good morning, Zainab.
Good morning, ma'am.
Zainab, see, what I was telling?
63, ma'am.
63.
Just
See,
7 minus 4 you have to do.
Yes, you just
7
have to.
minus 4 is what?
Get it, the answer. What is 43?
43. But how will you do that? You will subtract the digits at ones place. You'll write the answer. And then you'll subtract the digits from the tens place.
Ma'am,
Yes.
6 minus 4 equals to 2, and ma'am, 3 minus 2 equals to nothing. I mean 0.
But you have to subtract the numbers at ones place. How? What are numbers at ones place? See, you have to see numbers below ones place.
We
7
have to
minus.
put. We have to, in 10th place. We have to put 4 maybe.
Yes, you have to put 4, but you have to start from the ones place. You have to always start from the ones place, as we did in addition. In addition also we started from the ones place. In subtraction also we'll start with the ones place. We'll solve the ones place first. We'll do 7 minus 4, and the tens place we'll do 6 minus 2, and that is 4. Okay? Yes.
Ma'am, 7
Yes.
minus 4 equals to 3.
Yes, and 6 minus 2 is equals to
4.
4. So
No,
we'll,
me too.
7 minus 2 is equals to?
7 minus 2 equals
sorry.
to.
I mean to say 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2.
6 minus 2 equals to 4.
Yes. So in this way, we will not keep on counting on our fingers, but we can solve the sums in this way too. Okay, we'll do one more sum. We'll do one more sum.
Ma'am, do we have to write?
You have to write these sums. You have to write these sums. So what we'll do, see, we will solve the numbers at ones place, then at tens place, and then at hundreds place. So I'll start with the ones place. What are the numbers at ones place, Musfira Sayyed?
Yes.
What are the numbers at ones place?
5 and 3.
Ones place. The units place.
Units, ma'am.
Yes.
There are 4.
Yes, I didn't hear you.
4 and 2.
4 and 2. So it's ones.
Ma'am, I don't need any speaking. I can do it by myself.
Okay.
20.
Okay. There's ones, tens, and hundreds. So we'll start solving from ones place. So what is ones place? 4 and 2. So what is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus.
I can hear your noise very low.
Okay. 1 minus 1 is?
1 is 0.
0. Is?
For D, 3 upon 8 is greater.
What is 5 minus 3?
Yes, ma'am. Cross multiplication I did.
2.
2.
So the answer is?
15 ones are 15 and 16 are 2.
What's the answer?
1 by 6.
200.
2, 0. Yes.
And
Okay. There's no noise in the background.
And 3 by 8.
Can you mute yourself?
Ma'am, I don't understand anything.
No problem. We'll do it one more. We'll do it once more. Okay, Musfira Rizwan?
Sometimes they will be giving 6 minus 0. 6 2.
Okay.
Add for the another 5 to 1. Take 1. Ma'am, look.
She cannot see. You have to see. It's 300.
Okay. I want everybody to mute yourself. There's a lot of noise.
Ma'am,
If you can mute yourself, please.
can you tell what's the answer?
Yes. The first answer is 202. Get the answer, that's more important. Writing down the answer is not important, but how did you get the answer? You have to solve it by yourself. Okay. So we'll solve one more sums. We'll start from the ones place. Musfira Sayed, what are numbers at ones place for the next sum? Musfira Sayed.
4, 2.
Next sum, second sum.
Wait a sec. I'm finding it.
Yeah, no issue.
4 and 3.
So what is 4 and 4 minus 3?
4 minus 3 is. Wait a sec. 1, ma'am. 1.
And what is the next step should we do?
Huh?
What next should we do? We'll go at 10's place. So we have 10's place, we have 3 minus 2, right? So what is the answer for 3 minus 2?
3 minus 2 is 1.
1. Okay. So what are the numbers at 100's place?
2. Ma'am,
Answer is 2. Okay, yeah. Very
By
good.
7 1.
Ma'am, how you want to do? I don't understand anything.
Yes, I'm coming to you. Okay, I want everybody to mute yourself. Musfira Sayed, can you mute yourself?
Ma'am, which day is it? Which day is it?
Today is Friday.
Okay.
Okay, so Musfira Sayed, see, what are the start with the ones place? So what are the numbers at ones place, Musfira Rizwani?
Four, 3.
Ones place. I am talking about the third sum.
6 and 7. And click that and up. You can see eraser. Take that. No, I am taking the white one. That was square eraser.
Yes, I am doing that. Thank you so much. Okay. So now they are telling us that there are how many apples in one box?
12.
Everybody. How many apples are there in one box?
12.
12 apples. Very good.
And 5
So we will. Yes, wow, very good, Mana. Thank you very much. But we will be little slow because we want everyone to understand. Okay. So in one box, how many apples are there? 12 apples.
12.
Correct.
60.
And what are they telling us? You have to find the total number of apples in how many boxes?
5.
Now, how will you find that? We only know that there are 12 apples in one box. Now, if you try to remove all the apples and count, that will take a lot of time and that will acquire a lot of space. Yes or no? So, we will 12 apples and 5 boxes. Okay. You will put a multiplication sign here. So 12 apples and 5 boxes. Now forget what is written there. Which are two numbers which are multiplied by each other here? 12 into 5. So what is 12 into 5? 12 5 is 60.
And
As
if
I
we don't
told
know
you,
12 tables, we can do 5 12.
yes, if you don't know, that is very interesting. So now see, when there are two numbers, you can do it either ways, whichever you like. It can be either 12 5s are 60 or 5 12s are 60. That is one and the same only. Okay. Any confusion, Mohammed?
No. Yeah.
Tell me what you didn't understand.
I only heard there.
You heard how many apples are there in one box?
One box, 12 apples.
Yes. In one box, there are 12 apples. That means I told you. Yes, Mana?
The question is different, but the answer is same. 5 12
Yes.
12 5.
Yes. See, there are 12 apples in one box. That means there are 5 such boxes. Now, they are not telling us total number of apples in all the box. They are only telling us
Trying why the science class he is
Okay, Musfira,
we have
can you hear
get
me,
this
Musfira? What happened? What happened, Musfira? You didn't get the sum right, Musfira. It's your favorite, ma'am, Musfira, right? You can ask anytime whenever you want. Yes or no? Musfira, tell me quickly. Is she not your favorite, ma'am?
or
And maths is
maybe
your favorite
she doesn't
subject.
understand
Ah,
or
she did.
maybe she doesn't understand.
Yes, she did not. Yes, she did not understand the sum. But it's all right, no, Musfira. You can always ask Vidhi, ma'am. She's always there for you. Yes or no? Vidhi, ma'am, we'll just start from the beginning, okay?
Yes, ma'am. We'll start from
I'll just call her and speak to her. Not a problem. I'll just call her mother.
yes.
Carry on.
Musfira, just look at the sum. It's very simple. As if you're solving 3 different sums. We'll start with the last. We'll start with 6 minus 2. Okay? And what is 6 minus 2? Musfira Rizwani, what is 6 minus 2? It's 3. I'll keep 2 in my mind. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 4. The 4 is the answer. I'll write it below 2 because I have solved 6 minus 2. So I'll write it below 2. How will I write? Musfira, can you annotate for me? Musfira Rizwani, can you annotate for me? Write the answer for me. The next sum is 3. The next place we have tens place. We'll do 3 minus 2. Zainab, what is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. And the hundreds place, Zainab?
100 is 4. I have solved the sum that already.
Okay, you have to go to the next sum then. You have 20 sums. You have to solve all the sums for me. Okay, Mariam, not Mariam. Amara, can you solve the fourth sum for me? You have to annotate on the screen. Do you know how to annotate on the screen, Amara?
Yes, ma'am. If you're using a laptop, you can see
Amara, you have to solve the
a
fourth
green
sum.
top and you press that. Ma'am, there's an annotate option. Ma'am,
Yes,
I don't do first sum.
you did not do the first sum. You have to write it for me. Come on. Musfira Rizwani, annotate all sums for me today because I'm not able to annotate. Musfira Rizwani, can you annotate for me the first sum?
I can write in the book and show you.
Okay, you can show me. But how will you do the first sum? I'll start from the ones place.
Ma'am, 0 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. minus 3 is 5.
And how will you read the answer, Amara? How will you read the answer? It's 5. It says 100 place. So 500.
And first I did ones column with my finger, then tens, then this hundreds.
Very good. Very good. You are doing it absolutely correctly. But how will you read 512? Can you read 512? So it's 512. The answer is 512. Okay, Amara? Is that clear?
Ma'am, first answer is this.
100.
Ma'am, I don't know to read hundreds number.
Okay. We'll do in the next class. Okay. We'll surely do how to read big numbers in the next class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Musfira Sayyadi.
I only know till 100.
Okay. Musfira Rizwani, 1 minus 1 is you're not adding 1 plus 1. You're doing 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is when you have one chocolate and I took that chocolate from you. That one chocolate from you. So let's 0 chocolate. Okay. So 1 minus 1 is 0.
Okay.
Okay. So what will be the answer? Okay. Musfira Sayyed, can you solve the fifth sum for me?
Which sum?
Fifth sum. Fifth. Yes. You have to
Wait a
annotate on the
second.
screen. You have to annotate on the screen, okay?
I am taking the annotation option. Wait.
Okay, then can you tell me which place you will start from?
Tens.
You know, not
Sorry. Yeah,
once, yes. And you have to write the place like ones, tens, and 100. You have to write it for me, okay? You have to annotate for me.
I did it, ma'am.
Okay, then solve the sum. Very good.
What is the next sum? The next answer also.
Come on, show me the answer, Musfira Rizwani. Show me the answer.
Ma'am, I did it.
Very good, Musfira Sayyed. Very good. Love you for that. Okay, Ali, can you solve the sixth sum? Can you solve the sixth sum and give me the answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, Khadija.
I have done 6 sums and are all of them right? All of the sums done.
Okay, I'll discuss the answer with you. Okay, I can't see from a small screen. I will discuss the answer with you. Musfira Rizwan, I know there's a lot of noise in the background. Can you mute yourself? Okay. Ali, can you solve the sixth sum for me?
Ma'am, somebody's writing in the board.
Yes, I asked them to annotate. You know, I asked them.
Ma'am, see? Series the 6 one is 200.
200.
200.
No, it's not 200. What is 2 minus 0? Musfira Rizwani, which sum are you showing me? 7, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 2, 1 and 1. Correct. Musfira Rizwani, correct. See? Ali, what is...
Ma'am, certain answer. I'm just telling the system. 2053. Can you tell the answer? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't writing 1, 2 and 100. I am not writing that.
You
I
please
am
write.
only.
You do
Why?
that. It's very, in the later part you will able to solve the sums. These are very simple sums. But later on, when I give you in the vertical, start writing 100 tens and ones. I want you to write 100 tens and ones.
The sixth answer is 200. 200.
No, what is 2 minus 0? I have 2 chocolates. I gave not. I gave. You asked me for chocolates. I didn't give you anything. Okay, I didn't give you anything. So it's 2 minus 0. I have not subtracted anything from 2. So Ali, what's the answer for 2 minus 0?
Will be 220.
220. Very good. Can you annotate for me? Ali, can you write it for me? The answer, please annotate on the screen. You don't have to write 100 tens once. You have to just write the answer.
7 sums.
7 sums. Very good. Khadija, can you solve the 7th sum for me? Khadija? You have to
The
annotate it.
seventh
You have to
sum is 111. Yay!
Very good. Muspira Rizwani, can you solve the 8th sum for me first? Muspira Rizwani? The 8th sum. Muspira, where will start from? Muspira Rizwani, can you unmute yourself?
Now I am on third.
But can you solve the 8th sum for me? Try to solve the 8th sum for me. You can annotate on the screen. If you want, you can. Musfira Rizwani, are you solving the 8th sum for me?
Yes, I'm writing.
Okay. Come on, tell me where you'll start from.
I start from 1.
You'll start from
First.
ones place. You start from the ones place.
Yeah, I write it 1 place, 2 place, and 100.
So 1 minus 1 is?
1 minus 1 is 0.
Okay. And what is at 10th place?
We have to do it.
Zainab, are you done with the sum? Zainab?
No,
Thanks.
I did
You don't have to wait for me. You have to solve all the sums. You have to
8 sums.
Amara, on which sum you are doing, Amara? Amara? Fourth sum.
See
Come
the
on. You
answer.
have to be very quick.
Then see the answer.
Answer is 2, 6.
When I
minute. I don't write one thing.
Mr. Rizwani, you are correct. You know, the answer is correct.
Now you can sleep.
260. It's H. It's not 4. It's H. You know. Above 8. What have you written above 8? Mr. Rizwani, what is written above 8?
6.
Above 8. Above. Mr. Rizwani, what is written above 8? 8 के ऊपर क्या लिखा है आपने मुस्फिरा रिजवानी?
4.
It's H. H. It's not 4. It's H.
Okay. But my answer is correct, na ma'am.
Your answer is correct.
Mama, I want to write.
Come on, write.
I didn't write fully.
You haven't written? We'll do one by one. I want you to copy the questions first. Come on.
I didn't copy, but I didn't do all.
You didn't do all? And with some you are, Zainab?
5, 3, 7, 4.
5, 3, 7, 4.
One is that. Other one, I have to write the full.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you guys. You can write the sums. You can complete it till 8. I'm waiting for you guys. Amara, you can write it quickly. I'm waiting for you. Okay.
Can you share screen?
I'm sharing the screen, right? I'll share it again.
Ma'am, I write it the third sum also.
Yes, you can write the third sum. Okay.
3.
I'm waiting for you guys. You can complete the sums till 8th and we'll discuss the answers. Okay.
Ma'am, I've done it till 10. I've done it till 10.
You have to do it till 20.
20?
Yes.
We won't be able to do our sums properly further. Yes or no? For that, you know to need your tables very well. And if we know tables very well, we can very soon finish multiplication. Like Mohammed said that he likes to do a lot of things in maths, right? So when you do multiplication, then we will finish multiplication fast and then we'll move to a new topic again. But for that, Mohammed has promised me that he will learn his table till 5 and show me on Wednesday. Yes or no, Mohammed? So see, what is today? Today is Friday. You have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You have 4 days. And I'm just giving you 2 tables. So when I meet you on Wednesday, you will tell me tables up to 5. How you told me tables up to 3 today? And don't play Kyon Banega Karodpati with me, okay? Don't tell me, teacher, it is 25, teacher, it is 30, teacher, 30. No, not like that. You have to be sure with your answer, okay? Because if you play Kaun Banega Karodpati, your gift from you. Yes or no? Because Amitabh Bachchan gives money, no? Yes or no, Mohammed?
Yes.
Yes. And Manav is going to learn tables till 7 because you know till 5. Okay, Manav? So just 2 numbers more. And Mustafa is going to relax and revise all the table till 12. Okay, Mustafa?
7.
Yes. Umayma, we will do tables up till 7. Okay, Umar? I am calling out to Umar from when? Where is Umar? Umar, can you hear us? Can you please turn your screen on? Where were you from so much time? From when am I shouting Umar, Umar, Umar?
I was here only. I could not hear you.
You know tables up to which number, Umar?
Till 4 only.
Okay. So you will do your tables up till 6. Okay. Every day, just read your tables 3-4 times at least for 10 minutes. And automatically you will understand. And sometimes even try adding up and doing. So you'll know how difficult, how time consuming. So that is why to just avoid all that time consuming and tedious thing, you need to by heart your tables. Okay. Yes, Manha.
My mom tell work and by heart your tables.
Yes, very good. And I told you today we saw one more trick, no? For example, if you know what is 4 twos is 8. But if we don't know what is 4 threes, what can we do? We can add 8. We can add 4 to 8. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If I know 4 twos is 8, but I don't know what is 4 threes are. And because we are doing 4 times table, you can simply add 8 to 4. So you will come to know what is 4 threes are. So 4 threes is 12. Okay. Initially, it will be little confusing for you all, but we will practice every day. And this is also going to become very easy very soon. Yes, no? So now I will meet you all on Wednesday for your next maths class with your tables ready. Okay, Mohammed? Okay. Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Mom, till where you know tables?
I don't know. I'm going to learn from y'all.
You even don't know one.
No, I don't know even one. See,
They
no.
have to do till 2.
So with y'all every day, even I am going to practice. Even I will sit and study all the table. Yes, I will do till 2 and come on Wednesday, okay?
Yeah.
Umema is going to do till 5. Manna is going to do till 7. And Mohammed is going to do till 5. So I am only last, you know. So now I'm going to do it fast and run from y'all. I'm going to come first. I will do till 2 and show y'all on Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ma'am, you're done? Malika ma'am is gone. Okay. Okay. So be ready for your next class with all the materials which I have posted. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now take a little break. Umar, hope you have all the materials. Umar is not there, I think so. That's all right. Okay, so take little rest. Mustafa, you don't have balloon, you said. So that's all right. Okay, Mustafa, we'll do it without balloons.
Throw on your window. I throw on your window, you catch, okay?
Okay, give me.
No, to Mustafa.
Oh, Mustafa, you catch. Okay, I need to go. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, you have to do till 8, but you had some issue with the 12 sum, right? So what you will do, you will start 8 minus 4 and you will write the answer below
No,
4.
I didn't have issues with the 12 sum.
But
I was asking you have to do till 8.
yes, you
So
have to
if
do
you
till 8.
stop it.
You have to do till 8 and rest will be the homework I'll be sharing on the Google Classroom. Okay? But you know what? We have not finished with the session yet. I have some more issues, you know. Okay.
Ma'am, I've only done this. Ma'am, you see.
Amara,
To do the 7th, I didn't finish the 7th one.
Oh, you didn't finish 7th one? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
And I don't finish my 5th one.
See, the screen is here. The screen is here. You can copy the questions. You can copy the question. Till then, I want you to show me your books, okay? Zainab, you're showing me your book. Come on, show me your book.
get it the 9.
Okay, Zainab. Okay, great.
Should I stop it?
We'll stop it for now. But I'll send this sheet on the Google Classroom. You have to do the homework. I have to send the previous sheet also. I have few more sheets, but I want to confirm. Are you clear with subtraction? Can I give the homework on subtraction?
Yes.
It's
Sure.
just taking fun for the writing the answer, not for the writing the question.
Okay. No, I'll share something. I'll share something where you can just click the answer. Okay, you don't have to
Wait
type
a
answer.
second.
I am waiting for you
Wait.
guys. I am waiting for you guys.
I closed my book.
Okay, very good, Zainab. You have become very quick. You know, you have done all the sums. Zainab, you joined in late and you finish it very. You joined in late. You finish it very soon. That's not fair, Zainab. I was asking like everybody is clear with the subtraction term. Amara, Amara,
Yeah.
Amara,
Yes.
Amara, are you clear with subtraction?
Yes.
I can give you homework now.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody promise me if you don't get anything, you'll ask me. Okay.
But I don't have that number.
Okay. I will share you. I'll share you. You can take it from Shazia ma'am. You know, you can always take from Shazia ma'am. And Mr.
But I
Rizwani,
don't
I am
want.
cutty with you. No, I'm cutty with you. I am really upset with you. I'll call you after the class, okay, Mr. Rizwani, and you have to tell me everything.
Ma'am, don't end the class now. I have 3 more questions left.
Mr. Sayed, I saw your work. Very good, very good. But you have to write more neatly now. Okay? You have to write it neatly.
Ma'am,
In 11th one.
Finished? It's
I am
finished?
closing my book.
forget to give a gap for the questions.
Yes. Very good, Mara.
I completed the 10th one.
Very good.
Ma'am, don't close your screen. I'm on 7th one, please.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Rest, everyone can leave the meeting. Take a
No,
rest.
Ma'am, I also need to do some more too.
Okay, I'm waiting.
But I have done it. I have done it till
We have
10.
to leave, ma'am.
Yes, you can leave the meeting. I'll share this on the Google Classroom. Okay? I'll share this on Google Classroom. Bye,
Ma'am,
Zainab.
can
Bye,
I leave?
everyone. Yes.
Ma'am,
You
can I leave?
But you have to say me bye and then leave.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.